How to avoid this and this. On this episode, we'll be talking about things you need to avoid on site, especially when it comes to plastering. After getting your sand, you need to add cement to it and sieve it properly to take off all the dirt, to take off all the dirt that is deposited inside it from the soil, like grass, like mud, and then boulders, stones, and all that. So you can have a fine sand to plaster with, to give you a fine sand. So you see, it is very important for you to really sieve it to give you this kind of smooth texture for your artisan to do. Most of the sites you see artisan doesn't want to do this, so it's important. Look at the dirt, the debris, the dirt that's come out of it. Now this is when the work of the wall. Also, make sure that when you're working on the wall, the align it properly and make sure you check it with range vertically and horizontally so that you make sure that there are not holes or there are not space in between it that will cause any issue for you. Now this is the result of the outcome of what they are currently doing at this moment. So you always check for different things on your site to make sure that the consistency and also water inside of it is also very important. If there's no enough water, after some days, you find out that it's cracking up. So you need to avoid when your workers are mixing it, to avoid not putting enough water because some materials dries faster. Instead of curing properly, they dry up due to the weather. And this is also when you notice that there are so much irregularities on the existing wall. You always create a break point like this, a break point. Always check your workers. If the bricklayers are working in a way that you really don't like, you need to check it with them and tell them how to correct it at all points because most of them just want to work and leave that quick. And then all the edges also. It's important to check all the edges. Check for all things that are not so good on site. So this is the result of it, which is really looking good. Which is really looking good.